Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to harvest some potatoes and it was such a blessing. These first potatoes I'm harvesting were planted in pot and it was such a good amount of potato I had there. Even the size was incredible. I wasn't expecting it like that. But I was so excited. Good harvest. I did not even look after them very well, but they still gave me very good size potatoes and good amount of it. Anyways, I also decided to check in my raised bed to making sure that my raised bed potatoes are doing well, and yes, they were doing good. Happy with the harvest from there too. And what other thing did I do? Oh, I decided to check my sweet potatoes. It's my first time planting potatoes and sweet potatoes. So I decided to check to making sure that my sweet potatoes are doing well. And I did find one medium-sized sweet potato, which I was so excited about, and small ones. Um, I have to leave my sweet potatoes to grow a bit longer. What did I use on my potatoes? I used sheep manure from the start, just a little bit, and blood and bone, I think. And I also used wood ash, whatever it's called. Um, yeah. So I used that, and I also used bought organic potato fertilizer. I did not want to use too much nitrogen fertilizer on my potatoes and my sweet potatoes, so I had to buy potato fertilizer and it was worth it. Anyways, I harvested some spring onions, was the biggest spring onions I've ever harvested, and some chilies and bell peppers, really good amount of it. I left some chilies because I want them to turn red and maybe orange, I don't know, whatever color they will turn out. But it was incredible harvest. I was so thankful and I'm still thankful to God. Anyways, is it worth it to plant all these vegetables? Yes, it is worth it. Not just because it will save me a bit of money, but because I am planting food that are free, chemical free. And supermarket foods, they use a lot of chemicals on them. They use chemical fertilizer, they also use chemical sprays. If you want to buy organic foods in the supermarket, they're pretty pricey, they're very expensive. Why not plant them by myself if they can grow this much using things I know will be good for my body, will be good for my well-being and my family's well-being? So yeah, I decided to plant them myself and have a good harvest of free chemical food. I encourage everyone, you can use whatever media you have. You can use pots. This, by the way, the chilies and capsicums I harvested today, and some of my potatoes were planted in pots, and I still had a very good harvest. I had a very good harvest from them. So you can use pots, you can use pots, you can use boxes, because I've used boxes before to grow food and they are growing amazing. I might show you in my next video. The boxes I used to plant my tomatoes and some of my chilies and capsicums, and working really good. Time consuming, yes, but very, very worth it. I had a blessed harvest today and I'm thankful to God. I harvested some basil, which I love the smell of basil, a lot amount of it, and I planted it in a pot and it was a lot amount, and some of it I planted it in a raised bed. Anyways, this was the amount of the harvest today, so I am grateful. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video where I'll be showing you my next harvest.